Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Peter from Detect Dig Smile. So I've been down at the beach, I've been working on a program and it's called BEEMOR1. And you need your XP DEUS stereo headphones and you need to be at version 4.2 for this to work. But people have been watching my videos and saying, you know, can you share it? So I'm going to share it. I suggest you trying it out, see what you think, make modifications as need be for your beach. So this won't be perfect for every beach, but at least to get you started in the right direction. So I'm going to show you here what we need to do to get it set up. And then you can get out and try it. So here we go. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do here in this program demonstration of the BEEMOR1 program is that we are going to go in and we're going to hit the power button, which is the up arrow on our DEUS 2. And for this to work, you have to have the stereo headphones and you have to be at 4.2. So we'll let it come on. We'll hit the stereo headphones. So the next thing is this program started in beach sensitive, which is program 12. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to go down till I see multiprocessor, and I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to go to Morph 1 because that's where this program starts out. So I'm going to hit Expert, and you can see up at the top there channel 1 is going to be beach sensitive. Channel 2 is going to be straight discrimination. So I'm going to hit the down arrow. The next thing I like to do is the headsets at 0, the sound will come across both headphones simultaneously. So what I like to do is I'm going to hit the plus bar and I'm going to move this the whole way to 9. And what 9 does is 9 makes one channel here and one channel here. Now, I always put this part on my right ear. So, depending on how you put your headsets on, left or right, this could be different. So, but I'm going to keep this separated because I like having one sound here and one sound here. So next we're going to go down, and I left the FX off. I don't want it on. And I'm going to change my reactivity to 2, and I'm going to up in that to 2.5 to start. And I'm going to go over, and I'm going to turn this reactivity to 1.5. Next, I'm going to go down and I'm going to let that sensitivity at 80, and I'm going to go over and I'm going to make this sensitivity, let's say 90, just to start out. I'm going to let the volume both at 9 and 9 on the other side. I'm going to go down. I'm going to change this to high square. And I want high square on the other side. So I want to hear the high square tone in both ears. But because we changed that to 9 up above, they will be independent of each other. So we're going to go down, and I want to do 4-tone. And I'm going to let the frequency the same. I'm going to let the iron the same. But on this side, on the beach sensitive side, I'm going to turn the iron volume down to 0. And over here, I'm going to leave this at 8 for now. I'm going to scroll down, and now I'm back to the top. So that is how the morphing is going to be set up for this program. So now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go down 1, and I'm going to let audio response the same. I'm going to do discrimination, and I'm going to hit expert. And now I'm at 4 tones. So I'm going to hit expert again. And here's where I'm going to make some adjustments. So as you can see, the first tone break ends in 8, and that's because my discrimination was set to 8. The tone is 1.117 hertz, and the volume is 0. So I'm going to go down to my next bin, I call them. And this is going to be my first break. So I'm going to take this down to 38. And I'm going to let the tone the same. I'm going to hit this so I can move over to the next. But the volume I'm going to turn down to 0 because I don't want to hear any of that. I'm going to go down. The next one I'm going to change. I'm going to let the 72. And I'm going to go, I'm going to make this volume just to 8. I'm going to let the break stay the same, and the tone I'm going to let at that 644 hertz. So I'm going to go down, and this is my last bin, and this is where I'm going to change my tone so I can move these back and forth, but I want to be on tone 4, and I'm going to raise this up. I like the 951 sound. Okay, so now I'm going to exit out of 4 tones. I'm going to come down, and I'm going to do bottle cap. And I found the best is that bottle cap 2 worked the best for me at the beach. I'm going to leave notch off. I'm going to go back now, and I'm going to go to discrimination. I'm going to go down 1. I'm going to make silencer 1. Leave the sensitivity. Depending on the salt content, you can adjust this salt sensitivity up and down. I left it at 7. And depending on the frequency, I found that when I was detecting, the 29 kilohertz was best. So iron volume, I'll let it at 0. And reactivity is at 2.5. Now, if it starts to get chattery, can always go up to 3, but 2.5 is the... And now we're back at Morph 1. And we're going to go in and just make sure that all those settings look the same. Because when you make settings outside of Morph, sometimes you have to go back in here and just verify that, again, the tones and everything look fine. And they do. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back. And now I'm ready to save this program. So I'm going to go to Options, and I'm going to scroll down till I see Program. I'm going to hit Select, and I'm going to hit Select again. I want to save. And there's my original BEEMOR. So I'm going to hit Select, and this is where I'm going to punch in the what I want to call it, so you can call it whatever. We're gonna make this one B. So we're gonna make this BEE, and then more M. Whoops, MOR, and And then here's 1. Okay, and we're gonna validate. And there it is. So now that is program 12 originally, and now we're at program 17. So why I chose this program is because what I found is that I can get tones in both ears, but if it was something that like aluminum foil, it'll only come in one ear. So I knew I was over people putting chewing gum wrappers and things like that on the beach. So it really worked out for me, and I wanted to share this program. And see if it works for you. All right, everybody. I hope that was to your liking. I've been working on this program, and I think I finally got it. I'm in no way an expert, so all I can do is tell you to go out and try it. I found it very useful. Again, you need your stereo XP DEUS 2 stereo headphones, and you need to be at 4.2. But what happened was, if this is my aluminum foil that I don't want to find, the aluminum foil would be in this ear. And this ear, no sound. And that helped me determine if it was a coin or it was a piece of aluminum foil. And I could adjust that based on the settings to my liking. And that really helped me this year so far, beach metal detecting. So again, try it, see if you like it, modify it, it's yours. But I called it BEEMOR1. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share. It helps my channel, and I love making these videos and showing the hobby because I like sharing with others, and that's why I wanted to do this video. So, all right, as I always say, keep digging.